What's up? Hello. Happy Thursday. This is Actors Daily Bread, episode 114. So I'm like, what episode is it? What's up, you guys? I'm Christine Horn, professional working actress of 20 plus years, and I'm a life and career coach for actors just like you. This is Actors Daily Bread, where I teach you how to crush your auditions, book more work, and live a life you love, help you keep your sanity while you pursue this career. And so that's what I want to share with you today. Just share with you something that was on my heart today. What's up, Marili? What's up, Tarnisha? Thank you for watching. To all my replay watchers who will watch this later, what's up, replay watchers? Love you guys. So I'm gonna make this quick. First of all, I want to thank each and every one of you who supported, shouted out, hit the like and love button, sending me all that good energy yesterday on my TV show that came on yesterday. If you don't know, I'm recurring on this season of American Crime Story, the assassination of Gianni Versace on the FX network. So if you missed it, check it out. But I felt all that love yesterday online. I want to thank each and every one of you, but I haven't had a chance to thank you. But I wanted to just share just a thought with you. No matter what you're going through, I know all of you watching are at different stages of your career. You want so many things, and you may have felt at times, or maybe feeling right now, that you keep coming up on roadblocks, apparent negativity, things that just seem to be keeping you from what it is that you want, that big goal. And I just want to share something that came to me this morning when I was journaling. As you guys know, I do, or you may not know, I do morning pages, and that basically is just journaling. I journal for 3 pages straight. It's stream of consciousness, whatever comes out, it doesn't matter. Hey, Stephanie, thank you for joining. And this came to me like a ton of bricks, and I wanted to share it with you, especially at any point we're going through something or growing through something, as I like to say. And what hit me was, hey, Tanika, thank you for joining. Whatever you're going through, whatever roadblock, stumbling block, you know, there's a thing that a lot of people will say, like, ooh, I'm being tested. I'm being tested. I'm being tested. Ooh, you know, like, oh, God won't give you more than you can handle. You know, all that stuff that we say. And what hit me today and what resonated with me was that I was not, and I'm, you know, though many things are going great in my life, there are some things that are not at the most optimal place. There are some things that I'm working through and shifting through, and my family is. And what I learned is, what hit me was that I'm not being tested. I'm being molded. And I want you to just receive that for a moment, that whatever you are going through, whatever detour is happening in your life, however things are shifting and not going according to your plan, perhaps you are just being molded. It's helping you be molded into the person you need to be. I'm a big fan of Jim Rohn. He's one of my mentors who I've never met, right? But you can look up some of Jim Rohn's, and that's ROHN on YouTube, hear some of his talks. But he talks a lot about, who do you need to become to get the things that you want? So for those of you who are looking for that next level of your career, who do you need to become to do that? This past weekend, I called it a marathon weekend. I had photo shoots and flights and auditions and filmings, and I was like, every time I get tired and I'm only had 2 hours of sleep before a shoot, you know what I tell myself? I be like, Beyonce tired too. Beyonce's tired and she got 3 kids. Like, that's what I tell myself. Like, so what's your excuse? So Christine, who do you need to become to get to your next beast mode level? You say you want to be a series regular. You say you want to be at the Oscars and the Golden Globes, the SAG Awards. You got to be in beast mode. So who do you need to become to do that? So I'm being molded. So when I feel like, oh, what was me, or gosh, why didn't this? I'm not being tested. I'm being molded. I am being chiseled away, broken down to where I need to be right now. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the hearts. I'm glad this is resonating. So whatever you're going through, whatever you're growing through, whatever is happening, whatever appears, and I always like to say appears, because there are things that happen in our life that we assume are negative, but it's how we perceive that situation, and it's how we react to it that can make it negative or positive, right? I told you guys, December 18th, my husband was in a car accident, car got totaled. And I could have been like, oh, I mean, for a minute I was like that. And then I had to go inward and really say, okay, well, what's happening right now? Well, clearly, you know, I wasn't supposed to have a car note at the top of the year. I have other things I need to invest in and work on for my career. So, hey, Brian, thank you for watching. So just ask yourself that. Look at the lay of the land. Look at your life. What is happening? And we talked about this in the Booking Magnet Challenge for those of you out there who took it. What am I putting out so that I'm getting it back, right? What energy am I putting out? I just coached someone and was just telling her that be very intentional about what energy you're putting out, right? So if you want to be a beast and have auditions, well, you need to start doing stuff that's going to put you in that mode, telling the universe, I'm ready for that. Yes. Yes, 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 I'm ready for that. Thank you for the hearts and the love. And just remember, when we all have those days. Y'all, I like this light today. I just got the one light. Let me get my beret to the side. I feel more artsy like that. But listen, seriously, we all have those days where Marily says I'm speaking to her today. Awesome. We all have those days where we're not feeling it, right? You know, like, God, why all this keeps happening? Just remember, like I talked about you being a magnet, your emotions, you know, we say vibe. Oh, I like that person's vibe. What we're saying is their vibration. We all give out a vibration, and we can't be in multiple vibrations at once. You're either positive or negative. If you ever forget that, look at the light switch on your wall. That light switch, I want you right now, don't do it, but imagine when after this video is over, try to put your light switch on and try to put it off. Like either it's on or either it's off. So your energy, what you're putting out is either positive or it's negative. And at any point in time, you can change it. So if you're having a sucky day, you're not adjusting well to things that are happening in your life, that's the light switch is down. But in an instant, you can change, you can choose to flip that switch. So if I'm in a dark room right now, I can choose to turn this light right here on or off. And sometimes you need to just be with yourself and be like, okay, what's happening? What's happening with my career? Why am I not progressing? What am I doing? Now you can go low or you can go high, but you have a choice. You don't have to stay there the whole time. And just know that this is part of your journey. It's part of the route. It's part of the route for your specific journey. So I hope that resonated with you. I'm feeling the love, but just remember, I don't think you're just being tested. I don't think God is up there with chess pieces like, I'm gonna make Stephanie go do that. See how she can handle that. I'm gonna see if Marilla can handle that. Brian, you're having too much fun. Boom, let's see if you can handle that. I don't think that's how that works. And I know we all have different spiritual beliefs, but I really don't think that. I believe that we are so loved and made in the creation of what created us. I don't think God works like that for me personally. So I think we're being molded and chiseled into something so beautiful, but we have to all have our own journeys. So that, because if we were all the same and had all the same experiences, life would be so boring. And as actors, we're lucky because we get to use that. We have an outlet. There are people out here going through crap just like you, but they don't have an outlet to get you to use it. They drink too much or eat too much or, do crazy stuff. But we are lucky as actors that we can have a role, that we can write a script, or when we book a role, we can bring a piece of ourselves to that and be like, oh, I connect with this character because I went through that too. Wow. So then you get to release and purge. And we are so lucky for that. We are so lucky that we have that opportunity. So I just want to let you know that you are being molded. You are being molded. And just think about, who do you need to become to get to where you want to go? Who do you need to become? Have an amazing night. This is Actors Daily Bread. If you found this helpful, you know an actor who could use it, share it. Hit the share button. Don't be stingy. Have an amazing night. I'm going to go to the grocery store because I need to cook dinner. By cook dinner, I mean tell my husband what to cook. I cooked last night. I cooked 2 meals last night, actually. One for me, one for him. But yeah, so I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.